Welcome to the demonstration video for the Magnetic Google API integration. Magnetic integrates with the Google APIs in 4 key ways. Google Account sign-in and sign-up, which does not request any sensitive scopes. Google Drive-based file attachment, which requests the Google Drive API drive.read-only scope. Google Mail-based email analysis, indexing, and backup, which requests the Google Drive API gmail.read-only scope. And Google Calendar-based auto-tracking, which requests the CalDAV API calendar.read-only scope. Signing into your Google account and attaching files are both done via the Google JavaScript library. I will demonstrate as follows. Firstly, visiting the Magnetic login page allows me to sign in through Google. Doing so passes my Google information to Magnetic, which will log me in if I have associated my account correctly with this Google email address. This process does not request any sensitive scopes. As you can see, I have now been logged in. If I open a job edit page, I have the option to add a file. This process uses the same Google JavaScript library, but additionally requests read access to the Google Drive. Once I've provided this access, I can select a file which is linked appropriately to the job. This file attachment can also be done with contacts, companies, and tasks. Neither of these scopes persist an access or refresh token. If I wish to use the more frequent Google Mail and Google Calendar integration, I must do as follows. First, visit the Personal Settings page. You will note that I've authorized Google sign-in on this account. I can also add full mail integration, which will request these scopes. I select Mail account, Google Mail integration, and I sign in with Google again. And I will be shown the scopes requested by this application. For full integration, we require read-only access to the calendar and mail. You can see these scopes requested here. If one scope is not provided, that part of the integration will not function. Once I have accepted the scopes and continued, Magnetic will pull tasks from the Calendar API, shown in the calendar here, Calendar tasks can be edited on Magnetic's side, but will not persist changes back to the Google Calendar. Time can be tracked and comments can be added to these tasks. Let's take a closer look at how emails are used by Magnetic. As you can see, this mail account has been added and was last checked recently. To see the emails that have been pulled into Magnetic via the Google API, we go to Clients and then go to Emails. As you can see, each of these emails involves the magnetic OAuth test at gmail.com, which is the email account that is being used to access these Google APIs. Clicking on each of these emails will allow you to see more information, such as subject, the address lists, the full body of the email, the date, headers, and even images or other attachments that are added to the file, to the email. When these emails are brought into Magnetic, they will also create contacts. Going to the contact page allows me to see these contacts. While I view a contact, I'm also able to find the emails which have interacted with this contact. For example, if we go through to David and we click Interactions, this will show all emails that specifically interacted with david@magnetichq.com, both from and to. I'm also able to link emails to certain jobs. For example, this email has the code m#0001, which means it will automatically be associated with job 001. To show this, I can go through to jobs, go through to test job 0001, and view emails. This allows you to set up emails and link them to specific jobs and projects for extra context. If I return to emails, I can also manually link emails to accounts. For example, these two. Going back to the job, I will be able to see that these have all been linked as expected. Finally, in the event of email loss from Gmail due to deletion, it is possible to resend important emails back to your inbox by selecting them and clicking Send Selected Emails to My Inbox. This provides a useful means of double backing up emails that are important or valuable to your company's processes. This concludes the scope demonstration for the Magnetic app, showing all 4 scopes that are used, including the 3 sensitive scopes that need to be requested explicitly.